Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on BlaBlaCar. First, open the BlaBlaCar app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the button or top corner of the screen and tap on Profile or the menu icon. Now tap on Settings. If you cannot find the setting, go to the Setting app on your phone. In here, search BlaBla app. From here, look for the language option, tap on it. You will now see the list of available language through the list and select the language you want. Once you tap the new language, the app will automatically update and display everything in that language. If you are using BlaBlaCar website, scroll to the bottom of the page, find the language option and select your preferred language from the list. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language on BlaBlaCar. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.